Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your Miss here, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the few Mac must-have tweaks. Now, most of them would be knowing to you. You must not be knowing any of them. So, well, it's kind of dependent on how much longer you have a Mac and what long are you a Mac user. So, if you have recently switched over to a Mac, you must not be knowing any of them. And if you are a long-term Mac user, you must be knowing some of them or most of them as well. So let's take a look at some of the basic features as for now. Now, the first thing we are going to be taking a look at is a replacement for the Spotlight. Now, as we all know, we can open the Spotlight by going and clicking the Spotlight button on the top right corner, or you can also go ahead and use the keyboard shortcut with Command Space, and it will open up the Spotlight. You can search for anything like ScreenFlow that I'm running right now to record this video, and you can open that up by clicking the Enter button right now. But then again, there is a simple alternative with more options rather than Spotlight itself. So that is called Alfred. Now, this is a really simple box. You can go ahead and search anything in that, like system preferences and other stuff. So we can go ahead and open Alfred by going into option space instead of kind of command space. So that is really easy. You can go ahead and do that. Now, installation is really simple. This is a free program available online. I'll be having a download link below in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. While taking a look at the preferences of Alfred itself, you can go ahead and check out the genre preferences, which has mostly some of the really simple preferences. You can go ahead and launch Alfred and login and other blah 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 stuff. So this is really simple to all of you. These are normal controls. We have the default results. We can find everything in here. We can find the folders, archives, images, text files, documents, Apple scripts, and everything that probably might you have on your computer as well. So you can also go ahead and search for calculator, spellings, and everything. You can go ahead and type in something like 2 + 2 and go again and give the result 4. So you can do some of the basic tasks like in the Spotlight right onto Alfred itself. So this is really simple. And again, you can go ahead and change appearance. So you can go ahead the hat on the Alfred window. You can kind of hide the preferences. You can hide the menu bar icon, which I have not done. And then again, you can do other types of things. You can also go ahead and choose the theme. So I have kind of the 3 themes: dark, light, and lion. I like the dark one. You can also go ahead and select the lion and all that stuff. Let's go for dark for now. And then we have the advanced settings. You can also go ahead and rebuild the OS X metadata. One of the most important features that I found in Alfred is that you can go ahead and search the MS Office documents. Now, this is really simple and kind of interesting feature that this has. Now, Spotlight cannot search entire documents, so this is really simple. You can go ahead and search the documents. You can have the logging on and off, so what you searched and all that stuff. And you have the special button, which did not press it. Just go onto his website and stuff. You also have some of the statistical data, so you can go ahead and check the usage. You can check the power pack, which is another software from the same company, and you can kind of support the Alfred's development. And you can always see how much times you use Alfred. So I've used 70 times, 7.8 times a day. That kind of changes for each and every usage that you already have. And go ahead and check out Alfred's. I'll have a download link to this program down below. Now, the another program that we are going to be checking out is actually a tweak. Now, as we all know, Lion came up with Launchpad, and this is really simple. You can go ahead and arrange your applications as such. So what if you don't want an application to show up in that menu? So you can always go ahead and go into System Preferences and install a system preference known as Launchpad. So this enables you to hide and show. So as you know, I have Alfred up on the last screen for this purpose. So I'm gonna be kind of hiding that up. So let's go ahead and search for Alfred. So I'm gonna be going down below and going to page 7, and I can go ahead and untick that. I can go ahead and apply. I would kind of respring the kind of finder. And let's go ahead and open Launchpad. And let's go to my last page and see if there is Alfred. No, it's not there. You can also go ahead and hide the page if you want to. So I can hide the whole page, and it would kind of just vanish the whole page as well. I can go ahead and apply, and well, the page would be gone. So this is really simple, kind of a nice tweak you can have on your Mac. Now the next 3 tweaks that we are going to be taking a look at are related for system preferences, so let's go ahead and check that out. So all you need to do is open up system preferences. Now the first thing is the mouse. So as you have noticed, switching from Windows to Mac, the first thing that you notice is that the right click is not defaultly active. So you can go ahead and do that. You can go into the mouse and clicking on the secondary click, just go ahead and tick on that, and that is pretty much about done. So that is a simple tweak. Now the second tweak is really kind of important. You can go ahead into security and privacy and go ahead into firewall. Now the first thing that you will notice is that this is kind of disabled, so go ahead and authorize that by putting in your computer password, and once that's done, you can go ahead and turn on the firewall. That's really important. It kind of stops in from unauthorized applications or programs for using the kind of accepting the incoming connections and stuff. So the third tweak that we are going to be taking a look at is really important. You can manage up the applications that are starting on your login. So I can go ahead and choose from the login items. All you need to do is go ahead into users and groups and login items, and that is pretty much about. You can go ahead and add and delete it from the list, and that is really simple. So the last and the sixth tweak that we are going to be taking a look at is customizing your Finder. Now the Finder is an equivalent for Windows Explorer for Mac. So this is really simple. You can go ahead and add the icons and stuff. You can go ahead into the view menu and click on customize toolbar, and you will have all those kind of nasty items that you can put on your toolbar right about this and add it for your ease, which is kind of good. So go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and add some of the buttons, which are really simple. I have added the new folder button and the burn button, which is really kind of an ease. I can go ahead and select it from the Finder itself and burn that up onto a disk, or create a new folder without kind of right clicking and going to all that mess. So this is really simple. You can go ahead and customize your Finder. Now if there is another tweak that you would like me to check out, or if you think that's awesome, you're already using that, go ahead and type it in the comments below. And if you are awesome, go ahead and thumbs up this video by clicking the like button below this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel above by clicking the subscribe button above this video, and also add email notifications if you want, so you will be emailed each time I upload a new video. So well, that's pretty much about this video. Also, if you want to follow your Twitter feed with awesomeness, you can go ahead and follow me at Twitter at twitter.com/tripplemist, and also like my Facebook page at facebook.com/tripplemist. Then again, you can go ahead and check out my website at tripplemist.com. And thanks for watching, guys. Again, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.